Here's lesson 102, number 21. It had a triangle. And they gave you 3 sides, and they want you to find angle A. Angle A looks like an obtuse angle to me. I used law of cosines to find it. So law of cosines, A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2AB cosine A. Or I probably said that wrong, but I got the numbers in there right. Anyway, that formula is in the back of your book if you need to find the law of cosines. So then I just used order of operations. Make sure you don't. Some people mess up. They think they can somehow do 16 minus 2 or something like that, but you can't. You have to follow the order of operations. And then do all your algebra there. And then you end up with cosine A equals -5th, so that's -0.2. So then I inverse cosine both sides, and then I got the angle. So that's just using law of cosines. So that's rounded to 101.54 degrees. Now they asked for, these were in inches, and they always fool me. These were in inches, and then they wanted my answer in square centimeters when I find the area. And so I almost forgot. And also I forgot there's a formula. There's a formula for area. You can just go 1/2 BC sine A. So I started going 1/2 times base times height, and and that would have worked, but I saw how it was gonna be kind of a bummer for me, because if you choose this one for your base, then your height is outside of the triangle. And I was looking at it and going, I know there's a little formula. So basically the little formula says that you can just go 1/2 times the 2 sides that are not opposite your angle. Okay, so like my angle, we know that angle measure. It's 101.54. And the book wants you to do it this way, or else they wouldn't have had you find that angle measure first. Well, I mean, I guess you have to have an angle measure to be able to find the area anyway. But so anyway, I use the formula 1/2 BC sine A. Okay, and then, well, half of 20 is 10, and there's that. Stick it all in the calculator. Put that in your calculator, you'll get 9.79. You get this big thing. And then you have to remember that those were in inches. So I don't know if you can see it. I wrote square inches right there. And then I remembered I have to use the unit multipliers to turn it into centimeters. So to get rid of these inches, I put some inches on the bottom here and here. I had to do it twice because the inches are squared, like inches times inches equals square inches. And then so in my calculator I just put the 9.79 number and multiplied it by 2.54 and 2.54, because those are the unit multipliers for converting centimeters into inches. And that turns out to be the answer right there. And that's it. Well, there's 2 answers, right? They want the degree measure and they want the area.